friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a little Christmas decor. I'm going to make a joy sign, and I've seen these joy signs made 100 different ways, but the way I'm going to finish mine out today I would consider original idea. Now I came across this piece of fence board, and if you go buy a fence board they're less than $2 and you could probably get 3 or 4 signs out of it, but my husband just happened to have this piece of scrap. It was 14 inches long, and I'm going to do a little white paint dry brushing on it. Just a little bit of paint, just put a little bit of white on it, give it a little something extra. Now, if you haven't been to the Dollar Tree lately, they have the best selection this year of some farmhouse style ornaments. And when I saw this round one, I thought, how cute would this be for it to be the O in the word joy? And now I just need to come up with a J and a Y. There's all kinds of ways you could come up with your J and Y, but I'm going to do it using heavy-duty aluminum foil. My letters needed to be about 3.5 inches. If you need a pattern, I just found a thick J and a Y and printed it out, and I will give you the font below if you want to know the name of that font. I just eyeballed this one, and that's how easy a J and a Y is to create, so that's the good thing. And I also gave this a hammered look, and I'll show you how I do that when I get ready to do my Y. So what I need to do first is take a little bit of paint, dry brush it around the edges of this wood board, and I'll get back with you. Okay, I have my board as snowy looking as I want it. I'm going to use the Dollar Tree Aleene's tacky glue. This stuff has always been a great product. I'm going to glue it and put my ornament in the very center of my 14-inch piece of board. Alright, to make my second letter, I just cut a piece of aluminum foil, and you see that aluminum foil has a dull side and a shiny side. I'm going to put glue on the shiny side. This is how I'm going to get my 4 glued layers together. Just kind of smooth it out, and so now you got dull sides on both sides. Glue it again. Fold it a second time. I have 4 glued layers. It'll all smooth out. Then I'm going to take my pattern. I'm going to put it under my letter. You can hold it up to the light to make sure your piece of aluminum foil is under your letter. You're going to take the end of a paintbrush or just something that's not sharp and trace your letter, just to give me the Y outline. This will at least give me a guide to go by. Now, if you're a paper crafter, you know that you can run aluminum foil through an embossing folder. If you don't have embossing folders, look through your house and look for things that have a texture to them. This is the bottom of a platter that has little X's on it. This right here is a beverage container, and it just so happened has the hammered look, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the lid off. And this is how I got the texture on my J. Push down. The aluminum foil is firm enough, pliable enough, that it will take on whatever shape you're pressing on. And once you get it glued, it's not going to go anywhere anyway. You're just trying to disguise that aluminum foil look, and you want it to look like hammered metal. So I'm going to keep pressing my Y and get the shape I want. It only takes just a minute or so, and then my letters will be ready to glue on. J and my Y, and I love how they're looking, but when I put it on there, you know, my letters just aren't popping like I want them to. So I really think I need to dry brush a little brown on this board. I think just that little bit of brown will help my letters show up a little better. To finish this off and to give it a hanger, I took a 12-inch piece of jute twine, and I'm going to staple it on both sides of the top. And I'm going to hang it up and show you my new sign. Okay, y'all, I don't have any of my Christmas decorations really up yet, so I just have it hanging back here on the back hallway to show you. But look how cute it turned out. I love it. It really does look like just hammered metal letters. So I hope you enjoyed this. I mean, I seriously made this for a couple dollars. Thanks for watching.